For demonstration, I'm using Armstrong tilt mount 37-70-inch wide. Locate the spot on the wall you want to mount TV on. Golden rule: it must be at eye level while seated. You don't want to create any tension on your neck by looking too much up on TV screen. Use level to make sure the wall bracket is perfectly parallel to the floor. Adjust bracket until leveled. Mark points where you're gonna be drilling holes for your screws. Have at least 6 inches of space between any of two holes. You need carbide tip masonry bits to drill holes in concrete wall. In my case, I used Bosch brand. You're gonna need 3/8-inch bit. Remember, you're not gonna be able to drill the hole with regular screwdriver no matter how hard you press it. That's the most what you're gonna get. You're gonna need hammer drill to drill the holes in concrete wall. In my case, it's a Craftsman hammer drill. Insert the concrete wall anchors into the holes, making sure they are flush with the wall surface. The next set of tools you need is ratchet with socket adapter and, of course, the socket that's gonna keep the leg bolts, or you can use the drill instead of ratchet. Use 4 leg bolts and leg bolt washers to install wall bracket to the wall. Place bracket over mounting holes flush against the wall. Check with level, make sure it works for you. If it's not leveled, you can lose bolts and you got little space to readjust. I ended up with result meeting my satisfaction. Next step is support arms installation. Preferably do not lay TV face down to install them, but cover screen and lean against the wall. I got good carpet and I'm very gentle with my work, so I went easy way. You have mounting holes on the back of your TV. Armstrong brand is offering screws for different types of TV mounting holes. Pick the right ones for your TV. Sometimes TV itself might have screws, use those instead. Here's the sequence how you're gonna line up all stuff. Rubber spacers go first to protect your TV or if the back of your TV is not flat. Choose how you want to locate support arms depending on the height you plan to hang your TV on. As was shown on diagram and picture before, you thread lock washer first, the one with teeth, and regular washer second through the screw before putting through support arms into the TV mounting holes. Here is you got all free hardware left for your future needs. You can adjust TV angle before mounting by loosening 2 adjusting screws by several turns. Before mounting, you might also adjust clamping screws on support arms to make sure they are not on the way when you hang TV. Even underweight, your TV will be slightly moving if you go crazy on it or try to play with it. Per manufacturer, you're supposed to tighten 2 clamping screws on the bottom of support arms, but I have no clue how it's possible. I wasn't able to fit with screwdriver between the wall and TV. I guess it depends on TV shape and I needed longer screwdriver or extension, but even without it my TV mounted very well. Last step is to enjoy your TV.